Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna to talk about variable and declaration in JavaScript. In past video, which is part 1 and part 2, we already discussed about JavaScript introduction, naming convention, and difference between code and keyword. If you don't see, didn't see, you can go past videos of my videos and come back here. It helps you to understand basic of JavaScript. So without delay, let's start our session, today's session. So what is in JavaScript variable and declaration? Uh, let's talk what is variable. Variable is a container that stores any data, number, string, text, like that type, any type of data it stores. Uh, you can say memory, like uh, we can assume memory. You can give it name and change the value later, unless it's const. You should remember in const we can uh, never change the data. If you watch my past video, you know there are three types of data type, which is let, const, and bar. In let and bar, we can change the value of our variable, but in const we cannot. So uh, I think you already understand. If you don't understand, I can give you one example. Uh, Here you can say this bottle is a one variable. Inside here there is some water. Water is a value and bottle is a variable. Okay. So for water, bottle is a variable. Bottle is uh, consuming or storing water. So that's why bottle is a variable. Same case here. Name is a variable. It is storing the value, which is here hurry. Hurry is a value. It is storing in name. Name is a variable. And another one is age. Age is also variable. It is containing data. So variable is a one container which stores data. It can be number, text, anything. Let's move another, which is variable declaration in JavaScript. How we can declare variable? There is three types of variable declaration, which is var, let, and const. Okay. Uh, var is the old way to declare variable. Uh, in before ES6 we used to declare variable var, but after ES6 we used to let and const because var have some error. So var is old way to declare. It is function scope and can be redeclared and reassigned. We will talk it later because mm, we will talk it later. Don't be afraid. Okay. Uh, Automatically added to Windows object in browser. So if we are declaring variable in var, we we should use var keyword. It is a keyword to declare any variable. Var city is equal to Python. It means Python is a value which is uh, storing in cd. It is a variable. Variable type is var. This is variable type, data type, or variable type. This is variable and Python is a value. Likewise, uh, city is equal to Kathmandu. Here city is equal to Kathmandu. We change the value. Before that we have city is called to Bhutan, but we change it now. We change it. Uh, if we console here, there it gives us to Kathmandu. Before it gave us to Bhutan, and now here city is called to Pokhara. It it is reassigned. It both are although in JavaScript in var. Okay, here it is read declare. Here uh, it is although in var, only var. So var is like a sticky note on your desk. You can move it anywhere if it's already used somewhere else. Okay, let's now talk about the let. Let is a modern JS variable. It is block scope and can be reassigned but cannot redeclare in the same scope. Uh, Here, var we can redeclare but it cannot redeclare. Here, we can see example. Let age is equal to 19. We can change the value of we can change the value of age is equal to 20. It is allowed, but we cannot change the we cannot replace the age is equal to 21. It is not allowed. Here it is allowed. Let city is equal to Pokhara. It is allowed in Java in var, but not allowed in let. So redeclare is not allowed in uh, let. And and let's move on to const. Const is a modern JS variable. It is a block scope. It can be reassigned and it cannot be reassigned. Sorry, must be initialized when declared. So here, const birth year is equal to 2006, right? And if we want to try birth year is equal to 2005, it is not allowed because here const means constant value. We cannot change it future. Never we cannot change in future. So that is the const variable. So it is not allowed to reassign, redeclare in future. So it is very strictly. And another one is const like is a printed photo. Once it made, it cannot be changed. It is a printed photo. Uh, can we change printed photo? No. If it printed, it is final value. Okay. So this rule follow the const variable. And let's move on another topic, which is scope of variable. Uh, there is two scope there are two types of scope variable, which is function scope and block scope. We can say global scope is also a scope of variables. Let's see what is function scope variable. Variable exists inside of function. Okay, accessible throughout the function even before declaring. Yeah, let's see what is one trying to say. Function scope is only for var. Here, here is one function which name is my function, and var x is equal to 10. Here, x variable is equal to 10. Console dot log x. Here, 10 is printing. It is it gives the output of 10. But if we try to console.log outside of my function, this function, if we try to console the value of x outside the function, it is not allowed because it is function scope. We already learned it is function scope. So, that is the main rule of function scope variable. Uh, we only can use the value, declare value inside the function. We cannot use the variable outside the function. Okay, and let's see what is block scope. Block scope means we can use the we can use the variable inside the block. Block means curly bracket, middle bracket. Okay, let's see. Let's see an example. It follow let and const. Var doesn't follow it. Var follow function scope, and let and const is block scope. Let's see what is it. If true, let y is equal to, here is block scope is start. Block if scope is inside it. This is a block scope block. Uh, and here console.log x y comma z, y's value and z values. If we console this gives 5 comma 10 because here is the value of y and z. Uh, it is it is right, it is correct, it is giving the value. It is giving the value. But in case if we console, if we want to use it outside the block, it cannot give. Right? Uh, if we want to try outside this bracket means block, it is never give the answer. It gives error because it is block scope. Why it gives? So block scope means we can use variable inside the block, and function scope means we can use the variable inside the function. Uh, and function scope use follow the bar, and block scope use let and const. That is the scope in JavaScript. And let's move on next topic, which is hoisting. Hoisting means declaration of where is moved on top of its scope, and let and const are not accessible before declaration. Temporal dead zone, which is dead zone. Hoisting means when we declare value, then it divided into two parts. One part goes on top, and another part uh, still uh, stay on bottom. Okay, here let's see what is it in example, coding example. Console.log a var a is equal to 10. If we write console.log, if we try to console the value of a before declaring, it gives undefined. Okay, uh, and let's see another example. In the case of let, this case, the case is in bar, another case is in let. If we try to uh, console before uh, declaration and assign the value of b, here b, then it gives reference error. There is difference between undefined and reference. Why? Do you know? It is because bar is a oldest version. It gives uh, it gives undefined, and let gives reference error, and also const also gives a reference error. That's why I said better use to let and const. Bar is old version. It have some error. It bar hoisted. Here bar is hoisted. So that's why it is giving undefined. It says here value is a value is exist, but I don't know where it is exists. So I am giving you undefined. It says, okay. So it is the different wasting between let and var. So let's see what is the quick beginner tips of whole chapter 3. Uh, Always use let or const in modern JS. We should always use let or const because I already tell you bar has many error, bar gives different output, bar is old version. So always use let or const in modern JS. Use const for value that doesn't want to change. If you don't want to change the value in future of your code, you should uh, you should declare value in const data type. Okay, and another one is use let for value that message. If you want to, I can change the value uh, in future. Let us suppose if you let is equal to 12, you write, you declare first let is equal to 12. If you want to change this into age is equal to 20, you can change, but it is only in cons. It is only in let, not cons. Cons doesn't allow to change the value in future. Okay, avoid bar unless you need legacy support. I already told you. Uh, let's see summary of whole chapter. Variable is equal to containers for storing data. Var is equal to old function scope, redeclarable, and let is equal to modern block scope can reassign. Const is equal to modern block scope and cannot reassign. Scope is equal to where variable can be accessed, and hosting means JS move variable declaration on top. During the declaration, JS moves on top. I already told you it divides on two types and it moves on top. So that is the uh, chapter 3. I hope you all understand. If we will come back after, later by bringing chapter 4 in easy. So keep watching, keep supporting. Bye bye.